keeping up with the motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with the remote learning and teaching process to bridge the gap. Hello, greetings to one and all in this online class. Chapter 1, Laws of Motion. Subtopics: motion, distance and displacement, speed and velocity, acceleration, Newton's laws of motion, and equations of motion. So, to get the clear idea about laws of motion, it is necessary to understand the basic physical quantities like motion, distance, displacement, speed and velocity. So we'll go for this first and then we'll talk about the laws of motion. Motion, change of position of an object. Let us see the definition in detail. A body or object is said to be in motion when its position changes with respect to its surrounding or a reference point or origin. So in the following figure, you can make out easily. Now tell me, is the barn in motion? No. But yes, the sheep is in motion because it has come out of the barn. So here let us list other examples of motion. Next physical quantities are distance and displacement. Generally it seems that the meaning of both the quantities, or we can say both the words, is one and the same. But in physics it has great difference. So let us go for the definition first. Distance. Distance means length of the actual path travelled from one point to another is called distance. Whereas displacement means the shortest distance covered or travelled by an object to reach the same destination. Now see the difference due to specific words in both the definition. Words like actual path, shortest distance, same destination. So actual path means we are talking about total length, whereas in displacement we are talking about shortest distance but to reach the same destination. So here we have seen distance and displacement. So in this figure, a person travels 200 meters to reach his factory using bike. So this path covered is known as distance. Whereas with the dotted lines, we can see that the shortest distance between the factory and his house is only 120 meter. So this shortest distance is known as displacement, whereas when he has to go to factory using the actual path, that is 200 meter, that is known as distance. So in this topic will finish over here only. In the next part, we'll be going for the remaining subtopics. Thank you.